Here we are at the service elevators here at the Hyatt. That's where I am. I'm on 18 and the door was unlocked. Old micro switch like usual. So I believe these are 300 feet per minute, so they are slower than the other ones, unfortunately. Actually, it does kind of click, but it doesn't have the same new micro switch style. And I can tell though it's old because you can't really tell on camera, but it's the old white, not more of the orangish glow. Wow, these things are beat. All right. Oh, hey, that interlock is completely missing its cover. Nice. Check out this car operating panel. Oh my God, it shakes the whole damn elevator. Jesus Christ. We got a phone. Stop going everywhere. Jesus Christ. Yep, 4,500 pound capacity. Let's go to 2. Oh, that's a new switch. Yeah, look at this. Button already went out. Yeah, same old Dover impulse fixtures. Did I get a cab view? Do you even care? Look at this. It's an MDF cab. Who cares? But it's quite deep. They're quite clear. We'll go down to 2 again. These things are lovely. I love that sound. There's like a crashing sound. As soon as this elevator starts down from the 18th floor, it's like a like, what the hell's going on in the motor room? Oh, fuck. We're stopping. Oh my God, dude, I just started. We stopped for literally no reason. The doors didn't open. I thought I was stuck. I was like, are you serious? We're on 3, okay. Oh my God. Hey, there's that one down there. All right, let's go on up. What's going on here? Wow, this one is way slower. This one feels like the advertised speed for sure. Wow, that thing is trying so hard. Poor little elevator. Who did this to you? You don't deserve it, little Dover. All right. Yeah, this thing's slow as hell. These are so slow. Okay. Yes, the other one is definitely faster. Also, I think the other one had a flip style switch. This is like a regular switch, if that makes any sense. The other one was like one of those little flappy boys. I don't know. This is a regular switch. Interesting. Yeah, this thing slows down way softer too. Awesome. Well, there it goes. And that's it.